したらいいのになそしたらね二人でどんな言葉を花と消えることない約束お二人でせーので
So we are about to leave our hotel kasi pupunta na kami ng Tokyo.
Oh my gosh, it's so cold!
So we just arrived at the Shinosaka station and
We're going to
find Uzumi
What?
Park. Parang ganun. So yung tawag nila sa kada train, di ba?
Yes.
So mag-bullet train kami going to Tokyo. Because it takes about 1 to 2 hours. Ay,
2 hours.
2 hours 30 minutes only.
Yes.
Compared to taking the bus, which is around 8 hours.
8 hours.
So, kain muna kami. So, pakita namin sa inyo yung food later. We are at the bullet train station in Kansai Line. Car number 3 tayo, reserved with extra luggage space kasi kailangan natin yun.
Kasi parang kailangan ng luggage space pag ganito.
Ilan yan? Tapos may lamang pa to sa loob.
May luggage pa to sa loob.
Kailangan talaga mag-reserve seating. Costly, pero pwede na. Around 2,500, if not mistaken. Try na natin kasi 11:27 na morning. Train is already here and our number 3. So we're just gonna store our luggage. So we are at the bullet train already and gaya ng sinabi ko, meron kaming extra luggage space for oversized luggages. So yung mga nasa dulong seats lang yung meron. So pagka mag-bullet train kayo, make sure na meron kayong dalang mga snacks. Ayan, mga ganyan. Kasi yung snacks natin. Tapos na kasi marami yan. Ayan. So,
Yes.
para hindi
I'm gonna try this. This is chocolate waffle.
This is around 2 hours 30 minutes going to Tokyo.
And onigiri. So we just got off the train, the bullet train, rather.
Train and bus.
Bus.
Punta sa hotel. And after that, we're going to Shibuya. Kasi yun yung first stop namin. Pero po, saan lamig dito? Buti na, naka-ready na. Pero kahit na, lamig.
Malamig, sobra.
Mas malamig dito kaysa dun sa...
Partida, na to
Leather na makapal na to.
Tapos nakanited pa ako sa loob.
Lamig.
So ngayon, kakain muna ako dahil selfish ako, papalamigin ko muna si Reka.
So we're up for the next train, which is the Toei Uedo line. And then, pagbaba nun, sa may hotel na siya banda. So from Tokyo Station, dalawa ang sinakyan namin train.
Uy! I saw it na! Uy! Uy, babi! Ayan, libre. Kuha ka 10. 13 yung mga ka-office mate. So, eto na. Ito na yung hinahanap namin. It's just, hindi niya alam pa paano. So, ayan. Yung QR code na binilan namin sa sa Klook.
It gives us 72 hours of access sa tickets.
Ayan.
Meron
So,
kami,
Tokyo subway ticket. So, meron
72
dalawa.
hours.
Okay.
So, sulit to. Kasi this cost only, magkano ba to? Umuta ko eh. Pero
1,000 plus.
Isa.
Tapos, anong tawag dito? Kasi, parang feeling ko super sulit na siya. Kasi 1 hour away yung yung layo namin from Shibuya. So, lagi kami pupunta doon.
So,
Yeah.
Nakalimutan ko magkano to. Pero
So,
sobrang...
pag nakita nyo, ito lang. Yan. The violet one. Yeah, this is our ticket.
So after settling down at our hotel, pupunta kami ngayon sa Shibuya. Because we have a reservation dun sa gitna mismo.
Wow!
Well, joke lang. So we're going there para mag-explore, and then hopefully we're gonna go to Ginza to check more of Tokyo. So napakalamig dito. This is around 16 degrees Celsius. So malamig yun compared to the Philippines. Diba? So, naka-leather na kami pareho. And nilalamig pa din kami.
Yeah!
So we're just going to, what do you call this? The Kuramai station. So tawid na ulit kami ng bridge. Then after tumuwid, nandun na yung station.
Mas maganda ang train sa Tokyo. Hindi ko alam, feeling ko Tabi. Kasi lagi siyang pinupuntahan talaga. I mean, like, main siya ng Japan. So, that's why feeling ko meron silang English translation. Compared sa Osaka, wala.
Medyo may ano dito. Medyo
Mas madali siyang intindihin.
So we are here at Shibuya Crossing. Yan. Sobrang daming tao. Look at that. Titingin tayo din sa Onitsuka Red Concept Store to see kung ano yung mga pwedeng bilhin. Tapos babalikan na lang namin siya on maybe on the day after tomorrow. So check natin muna kasi hanggang 8 siya. And it's currently 6:30, 6:45. We'll be there by 7. Already inside the train. So this is about 8 rides, 8 stops papuntang Ginza. And then after that, saan tayo kahit Ichiran? So we're going to find an Ichiran near our place or near Ginza to eat. So see you there. Bye. We are going back kasi nakita na namin kung ano yung mga designs doon.
And
Well,
hindi kami umabot.
Yep. The lady is actually very kind enough to lend us over the book na contains all the designs and the prices as well. So, doon na namin siya tinignan so we can get back on it on Thursday, the day after tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow we're going to Mount Fuji. So, yeah, we're going to Ichiran. So,
Pero, merong cut-off ang embroidery.
yep, it's 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. The distribution of the tickets starts at 9:30 or 10, and then the store opens at 11. So I think you need to be early, maybe 8 a.m.
Yeah.
At least we'll just bring snacks over. So yeah, let's go.
Pero, ang important naman is yung ma-embroidery yung atin.
Yep. Ang lalagay ko is of course our surname. Ikaw, surname ba ilalagay?
Yes.
Surname ko din.
Surname mo? Mo?
So we're going to Ginza Line this way.
客様失礼いたします
bahay kasi dito. So, mag-go stop.
こちら失礼いたします
So, we are going home. Lalakad lang kami para magbababa ng kinain kasi
It's just
from
15
here,
minutes.
15 minutes lang naman. Saglit lang siguro. Pag ako nainis, over.
Hindi, naghahanap din kasi kami ng matcha latte.
Matchalat.
ng matcha ice cream.
Pag may nadaanan,
Matcha
okay.
latte
Pag wala,
ice cream.
okay lang din. So, not a problem. So, walking home, nakita namin yung Tokyo Tower, which is near our hotel. So, yun yung sign na malapit na kami sa hotel. So, this is around maybe 7 to 10 minutes walk pa mula sa ditong view na to. Look at that. It's the mandatory 7-Eleven stop or convenience store stop. Ayan. So, bumili na kami ng breakfast namin for tomorrow. I-rep na lang namin sa hotel kasi maaga kami aalis. We're going to Mount Fuji DIY style.